Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about data structures in Python programming language. First, what is a data structure? A data structure is an way of s- storing data in a computer system, and the this data is stored in such a way that we can perform different operations on it, and also establishes a relationship between the data. This is a data structure. So what is the data structure? A data structure is a way of storing data in computer system, and this data is stored in such a way that we can perform different operations on it and also establishes a relationship between the data. Now, these data structures are categorized into two. One is mutable and another one is immutable. What is mutable? Mutable data structures are the data structures which in which we can change the elements once created. Next, coming to immutable. What is immutable? Immutable data structures are the data structures in which if we try to change the elements, we cannot change once created. Once created. This is what mutability and immutability. So based on this, data structures are categorized into four different types. One is nothing but lists. Second, tuples. Third, dictionaries. Fourth, sets. In sets only, there is one more type known as the frozen sets. Now, coming to first, list. What is a list? A list is an unordered collection of elements of different data type separated by comma and enclosed within square brackets is nothing but a list. Second thing, these lists are mutable in nature. Let us consider list 1. I have created a list 1 which is having values like 1, 2.5, Rohit, 5 plus 6i, which is a complex number, and true, which is a boolean value. These are the different elements present in the list. So this is an unordered collection of elements of different data types separated by comma and enclosed within the square brackets, and these lists are mutable in nature. What do we mean by mutable? We can change the elements once after created. So if I want to change this one with 2, then in that case, as we know that Python follows a zero based indexing. So when going from left hand side to the right hand side, that is from left hand side to right hand side, it is zero based. When it is coming from right hand side to the left hand side, it follows one based indexing in negative direction. So in order to understand this indexing in a better way, let us consider this as an coordinate axis, wherein this is the positive y, this is the negative y, this is the positive x, and this is the negative x. So by imagining by using this, whenever we are going from left hand side to the right hand side, it is zero based. When we are coming from right hand side to the left hand side, it is 1 with a negative sign, that is 1, -1, -2, -3, -4 will be the indexes. So if I want to change the value of 1 with 2, then what I have to do is list 1 of 0 is equal to 2, and after doing this, when I print the value of list 1, then it is going to give me 2, 2.5, Rohit, 5 plus 6i, and true. This I am going to show you in my practical sessions in the upcoming videos. Next, coming to tuples. What are tuples? Tuples is an ordered collection of elements ordered collection of elements which are separated by comma, enclosed within parenthesis, and the elements can be of different data types. Example. Next, tuples are immutable in nature. Example. Tup1, 1, 2.5, Rohit, 5 plus 6i, and true. This is tup1. But when I try to change this 1 from 2, that is using the index tup of 0 is equals to 1, then in that case it is going to throw an error stating that this type of data is immutable in nature. Next, coming to dictionaries. What are dictionaries? It is the collection of key value pair, as in enclosed in curly braces, as in example. Dict1, name Rohit. So here name is nothing but a key and Rohit is nothing but the value. In lists, tuples, we have seen that the elements are separated by comma, but whereas in dictionaries there are these elements are these key values are being separated by a colon, and in the same way comma, uh, job, data scientist. So this is the example of dictionary. As I have told you that dictionaries are mutable in nature, so if I want to change the name to Rohan, for example, then in that case what I specify in list and tuples I have specified the index value, but whereas in dictionary I have to specify the key value, and I have to specify instead of Rohit I want it as Rohan. Then when I try to print the value of dict1, then it is going to be like this: name followed by the value Rohan and job, data scientist. This is how dictionaries work. Now coming to sets. Sets. What are sets? Sets is also an ordered collection of elements enclosed within the curly braces separated by comma and of different data types. Different data types. Ordered collection of elements enclosed within the curly braces separated by comma and of different data types. But this set is having a characteristic that is nothing but it will not accept duplicate values. As in, I'm going to explain you the same using an example. Using an example. 1. Let us consider I have created a set 1 wherein I'm having 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So this is the set which I have created. So in this, 1 has repeated twice, 2 has repeated twice, and 4 has repeated twice. When I try to print the value of set 1, then the output is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is going to remove all the duplicates, and it is out of these out of duplicate values also it is going to consider only one value. From this 2 ones it is going to select only one. From these two twos it is going to select only 1 2. From these two fours it is going to select only 1 4, and rest it will be discarded. So this is how set works. And in sets also there is one more one more type of set known as the frozen set. So what is frozen set? In set is basically mutable in nature. Mutable as in, once the set is created, we can instead of this second 2, we can also change it as 7 or any other number. But whereas in frozen set, what exactly happens is, once a set is being created, it is the elements inside it cannot be changed. As in short, we can say that these frozen sets are immutable in nature. So these are the different types of data structures present in Python programming language. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon for more notifications and videos. Stay safe, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye bye.